Hey folks, AJ the CEO here. We are here at Mount Sinai, and we had a little change of plans. Originally here, they were going to enclose this, and they were going to make a media booth there, but they're still trying to get the permits and all this other stuff like that. So what we're going to do is they wanted to move forward, and we're going to install everything in a temporary location to get everything working, and then we're going to come back at a later time when they enclose all of this in. It's going to be a bathroom on this side, and the media area is going to be right there. But let's get inside and let's get some stuff done. The main goal today, the electrician is here, is I want to put the mounts for the TVs because they're going to be hanging from the ceiling so that he knows where to put an electrical outlet. So let's get inside. All right, folks, I was trying to do this video a little bit differently. I was trying to hammer out getting the TVs hung while I have some help. They actually had the electricians here and already ran the input boxes for the TVs, and boom, we're done. Had some help with that one. I was able to muscle that one up by myself, so thank God. I didn't want to buy another TV if I dropped it. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start trying to find the location of the cameras. I know one is gonna go here. That's easy. That is stone, so I'm gonna have to. I'll screw into that, and I want to try and mount one in the center. And if my ladder can get high enough, I want to actually take up a couple of rungs in these lights so to lift them higher, because the intention is to try and put the camera right there in the center and hang it over. If it does not clear the lights, I'm gonna have to get another arm, especially if they don't let me move the lights. I might have to get an arm that sticks out and then hangs down a little bit lower, kind of like a traditional security camera mount, something like that. But I got the system set up over here. I'm just going to hook up one camera. This one will be the closest on the side here. We got everything set up over here. So this is the temporary location. Here, I got an XLR cable that I need to run so I can get audio from over there. I'm going to look at getting the cameras hooked up. We got the computer, and I had a meeting that I just had to do, so we knocked that out, and we're going to work from there. Alrighty, so we got one camera up and powered. These cables are going to be temporary, but they most likely will be on the floor and wrapped around, because again, remember, this ultimately, the media booth is going to be back there. So worst case, I might have to reprice them and run a strip of conduit right there where the drywall meets that wood and go all the way back. That'll probably be an option. And then when we do the camera up there, we find a way to get it over here, and we just run the same conduit and it joins that same run all the way back. But right now, I'm gonna level this TV and run a cable to both of the TVs so we can get an image from the camera, because we come back here, you see we are getting an image. I just need to log into the software and flip the camera. All right, folks, we have made great progress today. We got one camera, two cameras, two TVs, media booth setup, internet connection, audio connected. The only thing we really got to do is make the cables look nice and neat. I still got 2 days, but the fact we got this much done, I'm really excited about that. Need to get some cable covers just to cover the cables right now, just for this distance. I can put it up under the carpet there. Same way here, I have the cables going through the choir door and then up and over, and that will be behind the door. I need to loop that up under the railing instead of over, but that's simple. Got the XLR cable right there that's running for audio. Need to configure the sound when I get back. Probably do that tomorrow. Like I said, all this extra cable. I pulled extra cable just in case so that I don't have to redo this. I can just relocate the cables. Both cameras are showing. We got the ATEM all connected, internet done. I have 3 extra cable spots available. This is going to be the one for the other PTZ that's going to go all the way in the back. I'll do that to see how that's going to work. And that's about it. So now I am on my way to Emporia to catch up with Pastor Allen. They want to switch out a PTZ joystick, but we will be back here tomorrow. See what else we can get done. The plan is to have everything up and running so that they can use this instead of the iPads for service. So probably do like a little mini training or something like that, Friday or Thursday or something like that. So anyway, we'll catch y'all on the next video, folks. Later.